Actually, I'm trying to stick the tape, but actually this tape quality is not very good, but still okay. If you cannot have double tape, for example, you see I still can stick enough. You can see. So a little bit glue is enough. My tape is not very good because quite old, but if you have any double tape, you still can stick just like that. So should be here as a signal isolator. Okay. Then we need a SIM card. Place. Same. Sometimes I want to make it faster, but I don't want to skip the video even it takes a little bit longer only to put the tape. But I don't want people will say, oh, you cut the video, or so I want to show you everything as it is. Because if normal video, for example cooking video, they will cut and make it faster, but my video people want to see without unedited, without cut, right? So I just do it everything as it is. Half SIM you have to place, and these three mark until this side should be outside, just like that. Put it in the middle. Okay. And then okay. This is the magnet. Later I will show you the dimension for the both items. Now take the phone. Okay. Just place here USB. Okay, I have type C here. Okay, as you can see, the SIM and magnet is here. Very simple and easy method. Okay, you see, even automatically everything in the background. Let's try 1 2 3. Thumbs up. Can see. Let's download. Might be some small game, Candy Crush. So you have the idea. So you can see. Go to speed test. Wow, great. Now go to Amazon. So you have a little bit idea. Okay. So now I'm going to bring out this here. Okay. So our internet device is out now, and let's try again all apps I used to open one by one. Here is already in the background, right? Let's click on something here. See, same. I will open again Google Play Store. Nothing there. I will open the speed test. Speed test. Okay, nothing. So hope you understand. Okay. So a simple easy method you can do from home. So this is a aluminum heatsink. I will give you some measurement. so you can have idea what is the exact size. These are the centimeters, these are the inches, and these are the millimeters, mm. So if you see, this one is 2 centimeter or 20 mm, 1 centimeter. You can see, you can have any idea. Okay, second, the magnet, we use it here, almost 1 centimeter diameter, thickness 1 mm or maybe 1.5 mm will be okay. So these are the things, simple. And here is the SIM card. Here's the SIM card. You can use any dead SIM card. If working also is okay, because you want to get unlimited free data internet. So here's the USB type C I use. If you have your phone is micro USB or your phone is another, you can try on that also. So yeah, it's very safe. This is demonstration educational purpose video, and hope you like it. If you have any question, you can ask me down to the comment, but sometime because of lot of question I reply late. But don't ask me the question I already mentioned here. Ask me something that I can really feel, because many people, they are maybe skip videos and they skip the parts and they ask the same question. Thumbs up.